Hi guys, I'm going to show you the usage of Lacfree Wearable Breast Pump 2.0. To use the breast pump, insert the breast pump into your nursing bra, adjust it until it fit firmly against the breast and try to keep it at a upright position. Then, long tap on the power button to start your pumping session. There are 3 types of working mode built in, and you can switch it by tapping lightly on the power button. The modes available are Massage Mode, Expression Mode, and Mix Mode. You can also adjust the suction power up to 9 levels according to your needs by tapping on the plus/minus button. There are also a function that allowed the user to start at massage mode, and each level will increase automatically after 45 seconds of pumping. Massage mode will switch to expression mode automatically after 3 minutes of pumping as indicated on the LCD screen.